Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. This is today's day 29 of LeetCode 75 study plan series, and today we are solving a linked list problem called the delete the middle node of a linked list, LeetCode number 2095. This is a very good beginner problem for the understanding in the linked list pointers and the slow and fast pointer technique, means two pointer technique. So let's start. First, read the problem statement. You are given the head of a linked list. Delete the middle node and return the head of the modified linked list. The middle node of a linked list of size n is the n by 2 position node from the start using the 0-based index, where x denote the largest integer less than or equal to x. There is example like for n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The middle nodes here are the 0, 1, 2, means 2 is the middle node here respectively. And like here, if we see in this head is the linked list is 1, 3, 4, 7, 1, 2, 6. As we can see clearly that 7 is the middle node here, so we have to remove the 7 here. From this 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 is the middle node, so we have to remove this. So this is like means our task is to delete the middle node of the linked list and return the updated linked list. And if the linked list has only one node, then after deleting the middle node, the linked list becomes empty here. So let's see the dry run for this problem. Like I have this 1, 3, 4, 7, 1, 2, 6. So we will use the 3 pointers here: previous, slow, and the fast. A 3 pointer technique I am using here. And in initial value here is the, let me take this. Initial value of previous is the null, and the slow and fast pointer both means point to the first one. Like here first one is the 1, so both are at the 0th index and their values is the 1 here. Now we move, slow move the 1 step and fast move the 2 step. For a moment just forget about the linked list. In the array also we see the 2 pointer technique. In that we see that slow pointer and fast pointer. Slow move the 1 index and fast move the 2 index at a time, and same applies here, just in the linked list we are applying. So here same again, in the this is for first iteration, null is for previous value, slow and fast is the at the 0th index. Now as we first move, previous become the 1 and slow becomes the 3 and fast become the 4 here, because it traverses 2 index here. Now 4 and slow traverse the 1 index, so it is at 3rd. Now in the second move, this is previous become the 3, means it takes value from the slow pointer value. Initially it is null. When a previous value is here 1, previous value here is the 3, so it takes the previous value of the slow pointer. In the third move it becomes to 4 and fast becomes the 1, because we have to skip the 7 and we come at the 1 here. Now previous take the slow pointer value and 4 becomes the 7, and here 1 becomes the 6. So now we reach fast pointer reach at the end. See, there is no further index for no further element exists in this linked list. So slow is at the middle node. If we see here, slow is at the middle node, 1, 3, 4, 7, and 7 is the middle point of this linked list. So and previous is just before the middle node. If we see, the previous is just before the middle node at the 4th index, and we have to skip this 7. So if in the linked list we have a how to delete the middle node, just by pointer, means we just replace this pointer to the this one, means we just skip that pointer and rearrange that pointer. So we here 4 is 7 and 1. This is the original one. Now we have to do one thing, that 4 pointer directly point to the 1, and now this 7 is deleted from this list. Means final linked list become 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 6. And now let's understand how to think about this problem. In the linked list problem, we cannot use the indexes like array. We have the 0th index, 1 index, 2 index. Here we move the node by node using the next pointer approach. And to find the middle efficiently, we use the slow and fast pointer. As you see here, when the fast is at the end, slow is at the middle of the linked list. Because slow moves one step, fast move two step. So when fast reach the end, slow automatically reach the middle element. And this is very famous linked list technique. And now one more important thing here is to delete a node. We need the node before it, because deletion in the linked list means changing the connection. Like here I already tell you, I just change the wire here. Means instead of tract 471, they are connected in a series. I just take out a new wire and connect the 4 to the 1 and remove this one, this arrow one. So that is why we also keep a previous pointer here, so we can easily get this. Now let's write the code here in this. First, this is our function. It received the head of the linked list. We have to check if head is equal to null or head dot next is null. Then return the null here. This is actually an edge case. In every linked list function, we most probably we check this. If the linked list is empty or contains only one node, then after deleting the node, the middle element, nothing remains, so we return the null here. So this is actually edge case. Now let's create the 3 pointer. Let slow is equal to head, let fast is also equal to head, and let previous is equal to null. I just mean slow pointer for finding the middle and fast pointer for reaching the end equally quickly, and previous pointer for tracking the node before the middle element. Now start a while loop. While fast is not equal to null and fast dot next is not equal to null. Means until the this loop run until the fast reaches the end, or means why do we check the both condition is fast is not equal to null and fast dot next is not equal to null? Because fast moves 2 step, so we must have to make sure that fast exists, this fast pointer exists, and fast dot next also exists. One first is the previous is equal to this slow pointer. First I take the value of the previous, then means before moving this slow we store its current position in the previous pointer, and because later we need the that node before the middle. And now update the slow by slow dot next, means slow move 1 step, and fast is equal to fast dot next dot next. Here fast move the 2 step by just writing the dot next, means I just connect the means traverse the 2 pointer. Now now eventually fast reach the end, like here, and slow reaches the middle. As we already see here, fast pointer is reached at the 6th, means at the end of the index, and slow is at the middle of the linked list. So there is no means fast is becomes the null here. So we have to write here previous dot next is equal to slow dot next, means this line delete the middle node. It connect previous node directly to the node after the slow, means it just make a new connection between the 4 to the 1. Means instead of this series, it just bypass this by previous dot next to the slow dot next. Here slow dot next is the 1, and previous dot this one is this. So middle node gets skipped here, and return the head, return head. So let me run this. Head still point to the start of the updated linked list. We do not change it. Okay, just a typo mistake. Return head. Yes, it accepted. Let's try to submit. And yes, our solution is accepted. All the test cases are passed. Here, let me revise this. Means what we did in this. First, we used it slow and fast pointer to find the middle node. Means slow move the one step, fast move the two step. When fast reaches the end, slow reaches the middle as expected. And we also kept a previous pointer, and then we remove the middle node using the previous dot next to the slow dot next. This is the main line here to build a new connection between the previous dot next to the slow dot next. And it is very important concept, linked list concept. And here time complexity is a big of a single traversing, and because we traverse the linked list once in this, and space complexity also big of one here, because we are using a few variables here, not a array or hash map or any bigger space. And that is for today, day 29 of the LeetCode 75 study plan series. If you enjoyed this video, learn something new, then please like the video, comment your approach below, and subscribe to JDCodebase for more LeetCode explanation every single day, and also month stack projects. See you in the next video.